Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Google Lens to identify, scan and extract text from images quickly and accurately, whether you are working with printed documents, handwritten notes, book posters or screenshots. Google Lens can turn images into editable, searchable text in seconds. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use Google Lens on your smartphone and desktop, capture or upload images, select and copy it, copy text and translate or search the extracted content instantly. You will also learn practical use cases like digitizing notes, copy text from books, saving time on manual typing. So right now we are at the website of the Google Lens. Basically this Google Lens tool is available on the Android devices, or you can say on the iPhone devices, but in this video I will specifically show you how you can use this tool on the desktop. So if you click on this Google, go to Google Lens, it will take you to an option where it asks you to go to App Store or the Play Store. But in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Google Lens on desktop. So we'll go to the google.com. Okay, so this is the google.com page. Here you will see a icon for the camera. You will select on this and here you will upload the picture of your document, article, whatever you have and you want to use for that which purpose. So just simply upload that file. Here you can also see search an image with the Google Lens. We are going to use this Google Lens on the desktop. Here let's suppose I enter this file. Okay, and it will provide you the informations. As you can see that it has provided the AI overview, but if you click on AI mode, it will provide you all the information in the text form, like it provides in the form of the chat GPT. Or as you can see that it has provided all the information required. You can also write any command and it will do according, like if you want to convert into a German language or in any language, or if you want like synonyms or easy wording for this text, it will provide you each and everything. So that's how basically you can use Google Lens. And how about on Google, like this is how you can use Google Lens on the desktop and how you can use it. I have shown you step by step procedure. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.